Hello and welcome to this Inspiration Clan video tutorial. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to filter your recent documents in the Start Workspace area. So let's jump straight into Photoshop. You can see that we have our Start Workspace area up and we have some recent files included in the Start Workspace area. So the first thing I want to show you is how you can actually swap between the views. So you've got grid view by default, but you also have list view up at the top. So I'm going to click on list view and you can see there that we swapped. Now a few things: grid view is very good, you can see visually what each document is. List view is very good if you're looking for the full file name, and you can also see additional information over here on the right. So if we look, for example, you can see winter coming soon, and the name is cut off. So if your file names are long, you're not going to see them fully in the grid view, and you can swap to the list view. So that's the first thing you can do, is play around with your views. It depends what you're looking for. You can swap between them. If you're a visual person or it's clear from the visual what that document is, then the grid view is good, and if it's not so clear from the visual, then list view may be more effective for you. Now the next thing I want to do is actually show you how to sort your recent file. So you can come up here to the sort and you've got a few different options. So you can sort by last opened, you can also sort by name, so you can see there, nice and easy, and size as well. Now size is a little bit more difficult because you can't actually see the size in grid view, and then you've got kind as well. So kind, what I'm going to do, I'm going to swap to list view because it will become clearer with these filters. So if I click to list view, kind is a document type. So you can see here we're sorting by kind because we've got all JPEGs and then we've got a Photoshop PSD file here. Maybe we would have PNGs and other file types here. So you can sort by kind, which is going to group them together. So here we've got Photoshop now at the top and the JPEGs. You can click on these, so size and last open, to swap them. So size, for example, we want the largest document first. If we click the size text, it's going to swap that, so we've got our smallest document first, and that works for last open, size and kind. Okay, so that's how you filter. Now the next thing I want to do is actually show you that you can search directly by text input. So if I wanted to look for ideas, for example, it's going to get our file. If I want to look for light, it's going to get our file. So you need to name your documents correctly. It makes it super quick and super effective when you're looking to open recent files. When you've got just a few recent files, it's not too bad, but if you have 40, 50 plus files, then making sure you have the right naming convention is super easy. So there you go, that is how you view, filter recent files in the Start Workspace area. Thank you for joining me in this video. I will see you in the next one.